class, we are going to do some math. So, Blossom, what is 10 plus 10?
The answer is 20.
Yes, that is correct. So, Bubbles, what is 10 times 10?
The answer is 100.
Yes, that's correct. So, Buttercup, what is?
Oops, excuse me.
Classic Halo, how dare you burp loudly in my classroom? Now all the students are shocked because of you. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So, Classic Caillou, why are you here?
Well, I burped loudly in class.
Oh my god. Classic Caillou, how dare you burp loudly in a class? You know that is against the rules. That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go home right now.
Classic Caillou, how dare you burp loudly in class? You know it's against the rules to do that in class.
That's it. You are grounded for a whole week. Go to your room right now.